it is time for an exercise bite. Lenny and I will show you 2 movements that you can easily add into your day. The first one uses a ball. You can use any kind of ball that you have around, and it is simply rolling the ball around on the floor and following it. So you can roll it and follow on your knees. You can roll it while you crawl. Just practicing moving and rolling the body or the ball as you work on your coordination with your body. So roll, or you can roll it back and forth, just having fun with the movement of a ball. And then the second one is pretending that you are a jack-in-the-box. You want to start small, and you can even sing the song that often is used for jack-in-the-boxes, all around the mulberry bush. All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel thought it was all in fun. Pop goes the weasel. Then put yourself back in the box, and pop goes the weasel. So now, Lenny's going to give it a try. All right, Lenny, are you ready to roll the ball? Lenny's going to roll, roll, roll. Oh, Lenny's rolling it backwards and forward. Nice rolling, Lenny. Okay, and Lenny is ready to be a jack-in-the-box. Okay, get really small, Lenny. Small and down. Lenny's in a box. Now, all around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The weasel thought it was all in fun. Pop! Goes the weasel. You are a great jack-in-the-box, Lenny. All right, now it is your turn to give it a try. Become a jack-in-the-box and roll a ball around the floor. And move your body, move your body. Now you know just what to do. Move your body, and now the rest is up to you. Bye-bye.